In February 2022, the second Chinese Long March 8 rocket arrived at Wenchang Space Launch Center, next to South China Sea. This is one of the latest generation Long March rocket. It departed the factory in northern China on January 21 and traveled by sea to the launch center in Hainan Island. This Long March 8 rocket will complete assembly and testing at the launch site. This particular Long March 8 rocket is expected to launch in late February or early March, marking the first launch of China's new generation carrier rocket in 2022. The Long March 8 is a newly designed medium, two-stage liquid fuel rocket. The first sub-stage uses liquid oxygen and kerosene as propellant and uses two 120-ton thrust F-100 engines. The second sub-stage uses liquid hydrogen liquid oxygen as propellant and uses two 8-ton thrust F-75 engines with restart capability. Two 2.25 meters diameter liquid boosters were bundled to the first stage using liquid oxygen and kerosene as propellants. Each has one 120-ton thrust F-100 engine. Long March 8 has non-toxic liquid propellant, an eco-friendly design more advanced than previous models. It has a few modular sections, sharing many design features with other new generation Long March rockets, providing better adaptability and economy. The Long March 8 completed its maiden flight on December 22, 2020. The Long March 8 will be the workhorse model in future to launch Chinese satellites and spaceship. It can be launched both from Wenchang Space Launch Center and Jiuquan Satellite Launch Center in northern China. The total length of the rocket is 50.3 meters, the core first stage is 3.35 meters in diameter, the second stage is 3 meters in diameter, and the diameter of the single booster is 2.25 meters. The takeoff mass of the rocket is about 356 tons. It is mainly used for launching low Earth orbit or Sun synchronous orbit payloads and can send 5 tons of payloads into the Sun synchronous orbit of 700 kilometers. I would like to thank you for watching this video. And please do subscribe, share and comment, that would really help the YouTube channel, and I will continue to share more Chinese military news with you. Stay tuned.